Previously on LEGO Ninjago, Sons of Garmadon. Lord Garmadon had been resurrected. The ninjas fought back against this dark threat, but they weren't strong enough to stop him. And not all of them were able to escape. Harumi and Lord Garmadon planned to unleash the Dragon Hunter army. They set out to the portal. The ninjas arrived back at the Samurai X cave. It was there they learnt Spinjitzu. Using the K scanner system, they located the evil Lord Garmadon. Quickly they set out in their vehicles to thwart his dark plan. But the Sons of Garmadon were already one step ahead. They had the Realm Key. The ninjas arrived at the portal. An epic battle was about to begin. CooperAce Productions presents Cole, Kai, Jay,
Mia,
Zane, Samurai X,
Lloyd, Kilo,
Ultraviolet,
Mr. E, LEGO Ninjago, Sons of Garmadon. Part 6, Oni Invasion. Ninjas, we can't let them open the portal. You won't stand in our way much longer.
Sons of Garmadon, attack! Charge!
Here they come! Lightning! Ah! This won't take long!
Ninjago!
No! Ah!
Holy moly, that was great!
Time to strike! It's the Master of Shuttles! Yah! 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 Ah! That looked like it hurt!
You're done for!
No way!
I'll get you! Ah!
If you know what's good for you, keep away!
She's mine!
Whoa!
Fairy Ice Blaster,
What?
Now to end this!
No!
Say goodbye to your vehicles! Yeah! Zane! Kai! Are you guys alright? We're safe.
the fight will still be ours.
How amusing!
Dodge this!
Ah!
Critical hit!
I'll show them pain. Yeah!
Was that all?
Welcome to your doom.
Yeah!
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 Ha!
Yeah!
Ah!
And stay down!
I've got it. The realm key.
We need that key! It will be ours! Not gonna happen! Yeah! 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 Ah! Mr. E's finished!
I will eliminate you, Lloyd.
Harumi! Stop this madness! Yeah!
Yeah! Ha!
Yeah! Yeah!
Ha!
Ah!
You can't stop me.
Oh! Ninjago!
Ah!
I'm sorry we had to fight, Harumi, but you got everything you deserve.
More incoming!
Get her! Fire!
Another one! Yeah! They've been dealt with!
Ah! It's time you see my true form. Now, Garmadon, get the realm key.
At once! Yeah!
No! Ah!
I have the key!
Open the portal.
No! Ninjago! That little trick won't stop me. Ah! Now to open the portal!
No! It's open!
I don't like this!
Dragon Hunters, come forth!
Finally! A new land to conquer!
We're in trouble now!
This guy sure looks nasty!
Come forth, my warriors!
We're here, Iron Baron!
We need to send the hunters back.
You can't stand against us!
Well, it looks like we're doing just that.
Hunters, continue the invasion!
Time to cause some carnage.
Ninjas, fight back! Yeah!
You are fools to fight back!
Yeah! Oh!
His blast destroyed our Spinjitzu robes!
That really hurt!
You're powerful, but we'll still stop you!
Hunters, break the ninjas! Get ready, team! Do your worst! Here! 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 Back you go!
Let's battle, hunters!
I'll make this hurt.
Yeah!
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 Ah!
That's another one dealt with!
No!
They're mine!
Not likely.
Ah!
I'll finish this. Yeah!
Ah! No!
It's water time!
What? Ah!
Ninjas, help! I've got Baby Woo! And I've got this guy!
No! My warriors have failed, but I won't!
We have to close the portal.
I've got this! Whoa! I'm being pulled in! What's happening? No!
The portal's sucking them in as it closes!
No! No!
Jay!
It's got me! No! Help!
I've got you, Cole. But you're slipping!
Save yourself!
I can't save you, but I can come with you! Ah!
No! They're gone!
We might not have a dragon hunter army, but your allies are gone!
I'll make you pay!
Ha! You destroyed the key. Now there's no possible way to save your friends!
And with them gone, we outnumber you! Sons of Garmadon! End them! This isn't the last you've seen of us! We have to retreat! Yes! Run! We'll be back to fight another day!
With their allies gone, they've lost all hope of stopping us.
Then it's time, Princess Harumi, for us to conquer Ninjago! Now is the time to strike! What are our orders? The city will fall! We must summon the Oni Titan!
I like the sounds of this.
Ninjago will be ours!
Yes, it will be ours. With the ninja team separated in a plan to summon the Oni Titan, Ninjago will bow before us.
I can't believe it! They're gone!
What are we going to do?
We need to save our friends from the Oni realm! And we need to save Ninjago from Lord Garmadon and Harumi!
But how, Lloyd?
Without the others, it seems hopeless.
They wouldn't want us to lose hope! They'd want us to fight back!
Lloyd's right. We can't give up. But there's just not enough of us.
I called in some old friends to lend a hand.
Hey everyone. We heard you could use some help. Holy moly! It's good to see you all.
Things might seem bleak, but we must do what's right. We'll be the resistance that saves Ninjago!
Where are we?
I don't think we're in Ninjago anymore. To be continued in Lego Ninjago Hunted Part 1, The Oni Realm, coming real soon.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching CooperAce Productions. Would you kindly subscribe and check out more of our daily videos? Have an amazing day.